In the previous part, I created the empty project-specific libraries, and today I'm going to show you how to use them or how I use it. The project-specific libraries are empty. I copy items into them, into that libraries, every time I need to use a symbol in the schematic editor and along with footprints for each symbols. So I always open the symbol editor, look for the symbol I need to use in the project. So let's say 0 ohm resistor 0603, and I do it this way. I am copying into the demo project folder. Here it is, and that's it. In the footprint editor, I need to allocate the footprint for it. In that case, it's footprint for a resistor. I need to save into the demo folder as well. And here it is, prepared for the symbol library. A small trick, I recommend to pin the demo library, because then you will find it at the top of the libraries all the time. So I need to allocate the new footprint in the demo library. Here it is. I need to change the footprint to the demo library. Here it is. I pinned the demo library, and as you can see, it's at the top of the list of the libraries. So I can choose the correct footprint for the symbol and just save the symbol library, and that's it. Yeah, and don't forget to pin the symbol library as well. And now we are finished.